Today's property, we're on the borders of Finisterre and Côtes-d'Armor, near the village called Trébrivan. You have a wonderful stone detached property that has it's got two barns. You've got a barn here and you've just got a barn over there as well. It has 3 bedrooms, a study, an open plan sort of dining kitchen area and a wonderful lounge, a utility area also. The gardens are wonderful, I'll show you after. This property as well, subject to planning, you could actually convert into a gîte, but I'll show you later. So come on, let's have a look inside. Just to let you know as well, you're actually on a no-through road, just here. You've got one neighbour just over there, and then it goes down to a track really, where you can go walk your dogs or go cycling. And then just this way, you just have a neighbour just over that way as well. So it's really, really, really quiet. And I'm just going to go round here. You can see the wonderful views just over there. Okay, and this is where you can park your cars as well. So let's go and have a look inside. So the gardens are really well maintained. You've got a nice water feature just here. The property also has a well, which is great to water your garden. You've got a seating area here. Just here, and there's electrical points there, but yeah, it's wonderful, the property. So let's have a look inside. As you approach in, you come into a beautiful bright kitchen dining area. The kitchen's fully equipped. You've got an electric cooker just here, all fitted units, lots of workspaces too. The property has oil-fired central heating, but it also has a pellet burner, which is just over here, and it also has a wood burner in the lounge. So there's a few steps that take you up to the lounge. And again, it's got lots of features. You've got wooden beams. You've got this nice feature here. The stone lintels showing. Again, you've got a wood burner. That's the rear garden just there. The land is just over 2,000 metres square. Further details will be in the description below the property. And you've got wooden beams in the kitchen. So I'll just show you the utility area. Just turn the light on. There we go. So there you've got plumbing for the washing machine, you've got a dryer, you've got a ballon, a hot water tank which is electric, and there's a fridge freezer in here too. So it's a useful space. And then you've got a cupboard there for more storage, and in here you have a downstairs toilet. upstairs you have 3 bedrooms, and also there's 2 bathrooms and a study. So let's go and have a look upstairs. First floor, and we'll go into this bedroom first. All the bedrooms are quite a decent size. And we've got a double bed in here. There's a radiator. The windows are double glazed. Again, you've got some nice features, like it must have been an old stone fireplace here, the stone lintels just there. And through, you've got a cupboard just there, and then you go into one of the first bathrooms, and in here you have a bath, toilet and a sink, and there's a heated towel rail there as well. And then back through. You have, again, another bedroom, which has got a radiator in here. And there's a few more steps. And then you have the study, which, if you want, it could be the 4th bedroom. Back through the second bathroom, which is a shower, and then you have a sink and a toilet, and a heated towel. And then the 3rd bedroom. So what we'll do, we're going to have a look outside. I'll take you, I'll show you the barns and the gardens. Side. The front garden is totally enclosed. Also the back garden is. They actually have further land over there where you've got a polytunnel. There's an enclosed garden which currently has a spa, and then you have a small hangar there, which is good to store your trailer and park in. And there's also a vegetable garden too. There's a pond feature. So just over here, this is one of the first workshops. Let's have a look inside. The current owner obviously stores their wood in here. You have the oil boiler. There's plumbing as well, there's a sink, there's water and electricity in here too. So just going back out of here. I mean, you can see the detail. It actually says 1665 actually on there, on the stone there. I don't know if you can see, I'll just show you. Yeah, 1665. So going back out, I'll just show you next door. So in here, again, you've got a large stone barn. Again, subject to planning, you could maybe convert this into further living accommodation or a gîte. It's quite a decent size. The dimensions, if you want further information regarding the dimensions, I can send you these too. And then the other workshop is just here. Again, it's got electricity. And then across the road is the other part of the garden. So the first bit is like a stone enclosed. The current owners have got a jacuzzi in there. So yeah, a jacuzzi. So there's electricity, that they run electricity to it. It's like a secret hideaway. From here, we'll go into the other garden, which is just around here. Again, you've got parking here for probably about 3 or 4 cars. Again, you've got a hanger, which again, you can put your washing out, or the current owners have got their trailer there. There's electrical points. You have a garden area here. Just this bit, the limits where you can see the bushes and the trees. And the current owners have got a selection of raised beds for you're a keen gardener, but easy and maintainable. Lots of beds. Again, a perfect sun spot to relax. On those nice sunny days you get in Brittany. And then you have a well, and the owner informs me he's got a pump to it, and he actually uses it to water his garden and also for the jacuzzi. So this is the jacuzzi area just there, which is enclosed. And then also you have a polytunnel. So I'll just take you out here so you can see. You're just down a quiet country road. There's just 3 houses. It's a really small hamlet. You've got 3 houses down here. You're roughly probably about 6 minutes from Carhay. This is the track, what I mentioned to, where you can go for walks. Just in here you've got separate access. Again, you'll probably be able to fit 2 cars on here. And it's gated, totally enclosed. I'll just open this up for you. Yeah, so the garden is enclosed to the rear. You have electrical port for if you've got an electric car. Again, the current owners have got this as a dining area or a barbecue area. So the grounds, like I said, are just over 2,000 metres square, which is just under half an acre. To show you the back of the property. But no, it's wonderful. I mean, it's absolutely beautiful. Lots of original features. If you want to book a viewing or further information, do not hesitate to contact Jane Doyle at Agence Newton. Don't miss on this property because I'm sure it will be gone very soon.